2016 Subaru WRX, and we are doing the spark plugs. Okay, here are the plugs. We're gonna replace that on 60,000 miles, which is required by the manufacturer. This is wear out already, so all you need to do on the passenger side, take off the computer, do not disconnect it, take off the airbox, and when you take off the airbox, you're going to use that 10 millimeter to take the ignition coil out. So as I always mention, it's better to try not to disconnect any ignition coil or anything. I mean, unless you have to. I mean, it's not gonna hurt anything, but it's gonna be better. Sometimes the connection and wiring are kind of like dry out, and then we have to be very careful. There is a high possibility that we're gonna break it. So again, and after that, we're gonna use the 14 millimeter, use the 3/4 inch, and with the sway ball, you can send it through here. You have two here and two on the other side. This is actually 4-cylinder, and the design of the engine is boxer. They call the boxer engine. So basically, on this side, we're gonna remove the battery, and since you have the battery out, you're gonna access to this spark plugs too. So again, we haven't disconnected the spark plug, the ignition coil. I'm not sure if you can see it over there. It's hanging, but we haven't disconnected that one. So basically, I like Subarus personally. They are amazing cars, especially the way that the engine has been designed. So yeah, like I said, 14 millimeter this side, along with the sway bar, with the short extension, and it should give you all the access to the spark plug to take it off, and 10 millimeter for taking off that air duct, and the battery again, like I said. When you have it off, then you should be able to take the spark plugs out. Don't forget to replace the air filter. The customer already mentioned he already replaced that air filter, so we are not gonna worry about that as of right now. And that was pretty much everything about the spark plugs on this vehicle. For a spark plug, make sure you get the iridium one. Do not go with the cheap one. Never ever go with the cheap one. On the Subaru, on the Toyota, on the Altima, they have a like auto light, very cheap, available in the market. Don't go with that. Go with either NGK or Denso, and both of them are good. Just make sure that's the iridium one, and that way you can drive up to another 60,000-70,000 miles. Again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like this kind of videos. And I'm here for help. You can call me, text me, shoot me a text message anytime. I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. And see you next time.